Good morning, children. For 8th standard, we are taking the first lesson from biology. That is lesson number 16, microorganisms. If you got the books in your hand, take page number 189 and mark down the answers. First one, choose the correct answer. Microorganisms are measured in micron. Option C is the correct answer. Dash shows both living and non-living characteristics. That is out of 4D, 4 answers, B is the virus. B, the answer is correct, virus it is. And the third one, dash is prokaryotic microorganism. So the option D is correct, bacteria. Then based on the shape, the bacteria are classified into dash types. How many types it is? 4. So which is the option? C. Option C is the correct answer. Common cold in human body is caused. In the book it's different answer mean. In the common cold in human body is caused. Common cold in the human body is caused by influenza. Here it's given the plant body of algae is called as thallus. So right they learn this also. Extra one choose the correct answer maybe. But you have to mark in the book common cold in human is caused by influenza. Option B is the correct answer. This is one extra question for you totally. How many choose the correct answer there? 6. And fill in the blanks. Dash is prepared to form a mold called penicillium. Penicillin. Answer is Penicillin. Penicillin. Dash are the infectious protein particles. Prions. Prions. The infect virus particle found outside the host cell is called virion. That is Viron. Microorganism can seen with the help of a microscope. Microscope. Bacteria which have a flagellum at one end is called classified as monotrichous. Monotrichous. Then true or false? First one. Diseases causing microorganisms are called pathogens. True. Second one. Female Anopheles mosquito is a carrier of dengue virus. False. The correct statement is female Anopheles mosquito is a carrier of malaria. In the place of dengue virus, you have to circulate the dengue virus, and in the place of dengue virus, you have to write malaria. Chicken pox is a communicable disease. True. Communicable means what? Easily infectious. Then citrus canker is transmitted by insects. False. The correct thing is citrus canker is transmitted by air and water. So you have to circle insects. In the place of insect, you have to write air and water. Then yeast is used in the large scale production of alcohol. True. Then match the following. Nitrogen fixing bacteria, Rhizobium. That is option E. Tuberculosis. Tuberculosis by bacteria. Correct answer only bacteria. Kuru, that is B option, that is prion. Actually prion it is. Then probiotics, that is Lactobacillus acidophilus. Lactobacillus acidophilus, make it a syllable and learn. And the last one, Edward Jenner vaccine. So the order is E, D, B, C, A. Then assertion and reason. Mark the correct one as usual because you are new for this. 7th, I don't know whether you got it or not. Then here the options are given there. A, if both assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. B, if both assertion and reason are true and reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. C. If assertion is true but reason is false. D. If both assertion and reason are false. So children, this is nothing else. You have to go through the statements. What is assertion? What is reason? If both are correct means you have to say the first option. Both are true. And you have to see whether reason is the correct explanation or not. So like that you have to go through the sentence. Then which is the correct option out of 4? You have to pick the correct option. So first one is because you are new to this. From 9th standard they know how to write. But 9th and 10th they are practiced. But you people are not practiced. So assertion, first one. Malaria is caused by protozoa. Reason, the disease is transmitted by mosquito. So we know that is a though Anopheles mosquito, it is caused by protozoa only. So both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Next one, algae are heterotrophic, they do not have chlorophyll. Algae we have studied it as chlorophyll, so both assertion and reason are false. Okay, very short answer type, that is brief answer, maybe one word answers like write the name of any one nitrogen fixing bacteria. Rhizobium. Name the bacteria used in the production of vinegar. Acetobacter aceti. Acetobacter aceti. The spelling is correct, you can write off as it is. Write the names of any 3 protozoans. That is, protozoa, one-celled animal cannot be seen by the naked eye. So, what are the answers? Amoeba, Plasmodium, Paramecium. Who discovered penicillin? Answer is Alexander Fleming. Which disease can be prevented by vaccination? Smallpox, polio, measles, mumps, rubella and tuberculosis. Then short answer type, that is 2 more questions. Write the 4 types of bacteria based on their shape. Bacteria are described according to the shape of their cells. They are bacilli, rod-shaped bacteria, spirilla, spiral-shaped bacteria, cocci, spherical or ball-shaped bacteria, vibrio, comma-shaped bacteria. The 4 shapes we are written. If possible, give the diagrams on the side. You will be getting more marks. What are the antibiotics? Antibiotic is a substance produced by living organism which is toxic for other organism. Example, penicillin. What are pathogens? Disease-causing organisms are called pathogens. Example, the bacterium, mycobacterium. The bacterium don't want. Mycobacterium caused tuberculosis in human being. So repeated many times. Answer should be mycobacterium caused tuberculosis in human being. So that it should not be written in the small letters mean. Yes, every letter should be in capital letter. AIDS. This AIDS means you may consider help. So you should be in capital letter. AIDS. Next one, why microorganisms are essential for agriculture? So 3 answers are given, the 3 choices. You can write any 2 enough. Role of microbes in agriculture. For example, it acts as natural fertilizer. It is given our book also. Microbes like bacteria, fungi act as decomposers and break down the dead and degradable waste of plants and animals. During this process, nutrients are released into the soil and soil becomes fertile. This compost is called natural fertilizer. Nitrogen fixation. Microbes can fix atmospheric gaseous nitrogen as nitrate salt in the soil. Example, rhizobium. The bracket words not necessary. Rhizobium, free living bacteria, cyanobacteria, that is in nostoc. It's a kind of plant. Biocontrol agents. Microbes act as natural biocontrol agents and protect crops from pests. Example, baculoviruses attack insects which harm the plants. Any 2 enough. Out of 3 you can learn any 2. Enough. These are the kinds of bacteria. Clear? So write a short note on bacteria and its structure means till 6 points. You have to draw the diagram structure. Whenever the question is given, write the structure means you have to draw the diagram. Draw the diagram and label the parts for this answer. Then how microorganisms are useful in the field of medicine, that also given. Given in page number. Okay, verify the book me. How microorganisms are useful in field of medicine, role of microbes in medicine. We obtain antibiotics and vaccines from microbes. Antibiotics, it is a substance produced by living organism which is toxic to other organism. The antibiotic penicillin got from fungus Penicillium psychrogenum is used to treat diseases like tetanus, diphtheria full stop is the streptomycin got from Streptomyces bacteria is used to cure bacterial infection like plague. And vaccines, they are prepared from dead or weakened microscope. They are prepared from dead or weakened microbes. When a vaccine is injected into the body of a patient, it produces antibodies to fight the germs. These antibodies protect the body from infection in future. Example, MMR vaccine for measles. So you can refer page number 184 for this. 184 and 185. It's continued in 185 also. Next question is, write a short note on common human diseases caused by microorganisms. Common human diseases, that is bacteria caused diseases, that is microorganism caused disease for plants, animals as well as human beings. What are the diseases caused for the human beings we have to see? It's in page number 188. What are the diseases? Tuberculosis, cholera, common cold, rabies, amoebic dysentery and malaria. These are the human diseases. Suppose in case if it is 2 marks, you have to write only the disease name. They are giving in a 5 marks, you have to write like this. Make a tabular column, human diseases in one column, causative microorganism, that means which microorganism caused it, then how it is transmitted, mode of transmission, how it's come to us, what are the symptoms, what are the preventive measures, how to prevent, what treatment is given to us. Tuberculosis caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Example, that is mode of transmission through air and sputum of infected person. Sputums, correct only, okay. Symptoms, persistent cough, blood mucus, loss of weight, breathlessness. Preventive, by taking BCG vaccine. Cholera, Vibrio cholerae, by flies and by contaminated food and water. So what are the symptoms? Watery diarrhea, vomiting, rapid dehydration. Preventive measures, anti-cholera vaccine, maintaining personal hygiene, 2 points. Next one, common cold. It is by influenza virus, spreads through air, running nose and sneezing, isolation of patient. Isolation means what? Separation. Rabies, Rhabdoviridae, example, mode of transmission by animal bite. This is because of dogs mostly, rabies by dogs. Fever, hallucination, paralysis, inability to swallow, all the 4 symptoms. Then we have to take anti-rabies vaccine. Amoebic dysentery, Entamoeba histolytica, it is a protozoa. Food and water and flies. Severe diarrhea and blood in the stools. So what's the thing we have to take? Proper sanitation to be followed, and metronidazole antibiotic to be administered. That is the tablet. And last one, malaria, it's given in our book. Just learn that also. Any 5 you can take. Which one you feel hard you can avoid. Totally 6 is given in the book. So malaria, that is created by Plasmodium. Transmission by female Anopheles mosquito. What are the symptoms? Nausea, vomiting, high fever. Then drugs, anti-malarial drugs like quinine and chloroquine to be taken and usage of mosquito repellents and nets. Next question. How can we improve the beneficial bacterial count of human beings? We can improve the beneficial bacterial count in human being adopting the following method. Intake of fiber-rich food, intake of seasonal fruits and vegetables, intake of plenty of fermented food with the live microbes, eat more of prebiotic foods, intake of whole grains, prepare plant-based diet, avoid artificial sweeteners. Then write a short note on probiotics. Probiotics, with the side heading we have tried. Probiotics are live food supplements used in yogurt and other fermented milk products. Example, Lactobacillus acidophilus and Bifidobacterium bifidum. That is the bacteria's name. These bacteria improve the microbial spectrum in the gut and thus contribute the following effects. Gut is the part of our intestines. Decrease the risk of colon cancer, decrease the cholesterol absorption, prevent diarrhea disease by increasing the immunity power. One last question is this. Write a short note on probiotics. Totally 5 questions only me. 5 questions, all the questions I said. Thank you, children.